Hi YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. How y'all doing? Yeah, I got my Boxycharm premium box today. And I got my Sephora box. But I figured, you know, the Sephora sale gonna be going on till the 19th, so we good. We can go ahead and work on this Boxycharm premium box. For everybody that don't know, the Boxycharm premium box is a $35 a month subscription box. Boxycharm.com, y'all, if y'all want to check it out. But all of us makeup lovers who are familiar with this, y'all, let's get into this April box and see what I got. Okay, y'all, let's open this box up. It's light. It's really light, so that's not a good sign. But we'll see. I might be surprised, you know. I haven't seen any videos. Could be a lot of light stuff. Okay, Sweet Treats. It's the same as the base box. Let's see what we got. I was trying to read it, but I guess I'll pull out. Marc Jacobs. Okay. Marc Jacobs Undercover Coconut Face Primer. Okay, that's what it says. Let me see. How much is this? $39. A Marc Jacobs face primer. I ain't mad. It looks like it's been opened before though. I'm just saying. Let's see. Could just be a, you know, a regular box. Oh yeah. Okay. See what it look like. Can't never have too many primers. It feel oily or gel-like. And I got a face primer in the other box, didn't I? In the base box. Okay, y'all. I get the hint. And I was looking at purchasing this, so I'm really not mad about it. See, somebody want to call me. Sorry about that, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. I wanted to purchase this, but I didn't. I never did, but I'm glad to have it. And it's $39. So, and it doesn't have a coconut smell. And I used that Touch the Soul primer from the other box when I did my makeup today, so it looked pretty good. So, alright, one to go on my stand and one to go in my, yeah, okay, I'll tell you about it later. Let's keep going. The next thing I see in here is a dose of colors. I believe my box just took a beating, because even this is open. What is this? Dose of colors. I look like a pencil, but I don't know if it's a lip pencil or if it's an eye pencil. Dose of color eyeliner. Long wear creamy eyeliner. Glides on, easy to deliver, and a transfer resistant color. It says it's $15. What color is it in? Loyal, it says. That's how the pencil looks. Let's see what color it is. Oh, it's a brown. Okay. I don't really use brown eyeliners. I just love black. But this will give me a good reason to give it a go and see how I like it. If not, I'm going to be honest with y'all. It will be a perfect lip liner. Okay, let's see. How much did I say? Oh, $15. Let's keep going. The next thing I see in here is an eyeshadow palette. Look, I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette because it's really big. Yep, Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. And it's by Iconic London. So, it's cute. Oh, and it has the same shiny, cute. Okay, let me quit playing and see what it looks like. Let me open it up. Oh, it's cute. Nice new natural colors. Let me take this off. That's what it looks like. What does this say? Iconic London Sunset Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette is the perfect summer companion. 20 highly pigmented shades and a selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters. It says this palette is $62. I don't know which shimmer. Let's go with this gold. Ooh! Y'all, the way it came on my finger, I was like, wait a minute. Let's see about this orange. Oop. Now that's a horrible swatch, but I like this palette already. I don't know how it's going to do on my eyes, but I like these colors. I got to try this yellow and see if this yellow is going to be a really good color. They're so soft. They feel like butter. Okay, Iconic London. Yeah, yellow's going to never come off too well on my skin tone. But yeah, I'm happy for this. I'm happy. Add it to the collection. If it don't work, my daughter don't mind trying it out. Okay, I'm studied looking and thinking. It feels so good, y'all. Let's see, the next thing I have in here. What is this? Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth Ample. Oh, see y'all, I forgot y'all was here. I'm sorry. It says, named after the earth. Ooh, I like the color of that. Let's see what this be. What this is, y'all. Okay. If I got it up. Okay, well, y'all can see. It says, named after a powerful Greek deity of the sun, halos, anti-pollution, youth ample, is an almighty amberosa brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a foundation of youth preserving red algae. Says it's $48. Restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, this is going on to my use right now section. Come on. Get out of my face and pick this bottle up so they can see how pretty that color is. That is pretty. Okay. Alright, I will let you guys know how this works. I guess I don't know whether to use it at day or night. I'm going to look this up. It says it's no GMOs, plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, small batches made. Okay, and we're going to see how this goes. I will let you guys know how I like this. And the next thing I have here, did I tell you how much that was? I did, didn't I? I'm tripping. If I did, it's $40, but I think I said it. The next thing I have here is from Kiss My. Did I read that right? Yeah, it says Kiss My. Okay. It looks like it's from Rowing Cosmetics, I'm guessing. Let's see. Yep, Rowing Beauty. Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. It says it's $26 by Rowing Beauty. I've heard of that. I don't own anything by the brand, but I have definitely heard of it. Let's see. Ooh, that is a pretty, pretty, pretty shade. Y'all see that? Let me swatch this. Ooh, and I like the doe foot. Let me put it right here. Okay, let me just put this on. Let's see. I got on Creamsicle by Boxycharm. I like that shade. It looks like it's just going to be a real nice nude shade. This going in my purse. This is, I keep looking. Yeah, this going in my purse. This is going to be a purse gloss. This is, I just like the packaging. Okay, Rowing Beauty. Did I tell y'all? $26. I did. Okay, y'all. Okay, Rowing Beauty. I like Boxycharm. Every time I want to get rid of it, they pull this mess with some stuff that I feel like I'm going to miss if I don't have a box. And the last thing I have in here is from NARS. And this makes this box. This makes this box. A NARS blush. A cult favorite, best-selling blush. Delivers a weightless, natural looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. It says this blush is $30 and this box is $49. So I guess you could go with the primer I don't know. The primer probably paid for the box. How much was that Marc Jacobs primer? $39. Yeah, that go the box. But okay. All right. I ain't mad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see which blush I got. Hopefully I didn't get a shade that, you know, I can't wear. I just love the way NARS packaging feels. Oh, okay. I got a shade that works. This says it's in Angelica. That's what it says. Angelica. And this is a pretty, pretty shade. Take this off. That's cute. Come on. If the lighting could let y'all do it some justice. That's cute. It's not as pink as it look. I'm going to put some on so y'all can see it. Let me get a brush. This little brush will do. It looks pink, but it's not as pink. Okay. Oh yeah, that works for me. I never buy big blushes like this because I never use the same one over and over. It might be pink today and tomorrow it's going to be dark burgundy or brown or... Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Let me put some more on so y'all can see it. Now I know that's a lot, but I want it to be where y'all can see it out there. This is a pretty color. Angelica. Okay guys, that was the last product in my Boxycharm premium box, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll put the total price of everything in the box, and for $49 I think we did pretty good. Okay guys, I will see you guys first thing in the morning for this Sephora haul, and we still got 2 days, y'all, and I figured the Boxycharm was more important because not everybody, you know, a fool like me is splurging on all this extra stuff when you already got enough stuff. And I honestly only bought stuff that I use. I don't put on makeup every day. I don't need makeup every day, so I stuck with the items that I really use. I really like. I did, you know, got hit in the head a couple of purchases. I had to step out, but I didn't get a whole lot of that new stuff, unnecessary stuff. Okay, so don't be on the bus, but I did get some repurchases. And I will see you guys in the morning for that video. Alright guys, I hope you had an awesome, wonderful Friday, and I hope you have a blessed weekend. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, guys. Bye-bye. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty, pretty. Angelica.